Hello everyone. Today we're going to test how much electricity two 100-watt rated solar panels can generate. It's 8:30 in the morning and the sun has just come out. Because today is the winter solstice, the sun comes out relatively late. Now let's take a look at the power generated by the solar panels. These two 18-volt, 100-watt solar panels are in series connection, which is equivalent to a 200-watt solar panel. The charging voltage is 52 volts, the charging current is 1.4 amps, and the charging power is 75 watts. That is, the charging power of the 200-watt solar array in the morning is 75 watts. The sunlight is relatively weak at the moment, that's why we only got 1/3 of the rated maximum power. But do you think it's normal? Let's wait until noon and see what the charging power will be. I don't know exactly what is the best angle to place the solar panels. I guess the solar panels are facing the sun directly when the shadow is the longest. It's noon now, the sunshine is obviously much stronger. Let's take a look at the charging power. It reads 138 watts, almost double what it was in the morning. But when compared to the nominal 200 watts, it seems that the current power is not very sufficient. Let's try to adjust the direction of the solar panels. Now it is close to 148 watts. We see that the total electricity generated this morning is about 350 watts. Guess how much it will be throughout the day? It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the sunshine still looks fine, but it has been blocked. If not, the solar array should generate more electricity. However, it only has a pitiful 11.7 watts. We got a simple conclusion that the total electricity generated by a 200-watt solar array from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. is 760 watts, which should be able to reach 0.8 kilowatt hours if the sunlight is good throughout the day. Okay, according to the data we just got, if we want to generate 2 kilowatt hours of electricity a day, a 500-watt solar array is required, right? Welcome to leave your comments.